Alright guys, it's 22nd of January, it's day 2 of alcohol free, me and my caravan. I'm just doing one early this morning. I apologize for the terrible sound quality yesterday. The wind picks up really badly here just after lunch, either from the morning, during this season, either first thing in the morning, and then throughout the entire day, or from 1 o'clock going forward. As you can see, it's already a little bit windy. Not too bad right now though. Yeah, so day 2 of no more of that. And then it's early in the morning, it's about 9 o'clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until 5 o'clock and then do another one, so that you know it's throughout the entire day. And then what I'll do is today will be the first editing. I'll see if I can smush this one into that one and then post that one today, so that you have day 1 and day 2 posted today. So day 3 will be day 3 tomorrow and posted. What happened is last night I published the video, but at about 12 o'clock, and then I just put it on a schedule to get set off at 8 o'clock this morning. Yeah, just because of the time. I was just trying to figure that out. So yeah, it's figured out now. So I'll do another video later on today at about 5 o'clock. Yeah, I'll do another video at about 5 o'clock, just so that you know the whole day's been clean, still clean. And then I'm just basically pointing my camera around. I'm not used to pointing it at me at the moment. I'll do that later on today, when I splice this one with that one. Sorry, I'll get much better at this. And then I'm just showing you, this is the little garden that I've been creating. I'm getting to that right now. Woke up a bit late this morning because I was up so late last night. But yeah, I've built all of this. I'm trying to be self-sufficient and grow my own food, so it helps to keep busy. Yeah, but I'll chat to you about that later on this afternoon. A few little tricks and things that I'm using and what I'm doing. This morning what I'm going to do is do a little bit of watering. Just start all the watering and a bit of feeding. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, sorry, that's the fly trap, in case you were wondering. Alright, chat later, bye. So it's 3:45, Thursday 22nd of January 2026. It's the second check-in of today, day 2 of no drinking. So I want to explain something briefly, so that people understand how I'm trying to structure this. Right now I'm at 0. I have many things that I have to do to keep moving forward. And honestly, that's a good thing. Being busy helps. Keeps me focused, and it keeps me from drinking. So instead of filming late at night, I'm experimenting with doing the second recording earlier, early to mid-afternoon, and then posting and then editing for about 5 p.m. That way the work is done, the day doesn't drag on, and then I can move on to all other things that I need to handle. Right now though, I'm not sure if 5 p.m. is a good time, so I want to ask you guys directly. If you're watching this, let me know in the comments. Is 5 p.m. a good time, or would earlier or later be better? Right now though, the important thing is I'm sober, I showed up, and I'll check in again tomorrow. The other thing is I'm not fancy today. I'm dressed as I am, as I've been the whole day. I know my face is very skinny, I'm very skinny, I need to shave, my hair is terrible, my skin's terrible, my teeth are all horrible. I feel crimpy, I need to start exercising and meditating and just improving myself. Better clothes, healthier look, glowing and shining instead of old dried up piece of dried meat. So I'm doing this on purpose so that we can see the progress, and I'd like it to be progress. I'd like to be like a skinny, scrawny, unkempt guy on day 1. And then on day 365, I'd like there to be dramatic change and be something there that I can be proud of. And at the same time, for everyone that's in the same position as me, you can follow alongside me, and then you gain value from that as well. And on that note, anyone that is following alongside me with this, stay steady, and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. Yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you. Bye.